What's up, Tal?
What's up, guys? How you doing?
The word, Brody. It's the vibes.
Did you guys watch the stream right now that I just had?
Yeah, well, I was driving, so I really couldn't watch it. That's
I got you. My router fucked me over. Just ended my stream midstream, bruh.
So one question. So how do we go on to see that live? So like, do you trade live?
Yeah, I trade live in the Telegram in the group. I hit up links, and you just gotta do the link. Sometimes it's on YouTube, sometimes on Kick, stuff like that. All right, bro.
Okay.
I just got the reason why I called you right now. I got a couple of questions for you, just for new users that are coming on and joining the team, joining the club. My main thing is for you to talk right now. If you have any questions for me, hit me up in the DMs later, and I'll answer everything. Okay?
No problem.
Bet. Okay. So, what's your name, bro? Where are you from?
Everett Burnham, and I'm from Brooklyn.
Mm-hmm.
New York.
Okay. And do you have a job right now, or are you just trading?
Right now, you're my job.
Bet. Okay. That's what I like to hear. And do you have any experience in trading before the club?
I've only been trading for a week now, bro.
Yeah. So just with me, right?
That's it.
Bet. Okay. And what made you want to try, like, do the first step?
Well, take the truth. Like when my brother showed me your link, whatever. I said, let me give it a try. And then from the first day when I seen that you knew what you was doing, I trusted you. So that's when I invested the rest of my money.
Yeah, that's what I like to hear. And do you have like a dream that you want to do with your money, or you just want to get your financial well-being 100%?
Well, I'm pretty sure we all have a dream, but financial well-being is, of course, not me the motivation. But you know, you own property, start businesses.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And did you actually believe that you could make money on this, or did you have any doubts when you were starting off?
Well, at first, you know, I had a doubt because, you know, it's always like a lot of scams out here.
Yeah.
Yeah. After that first day, when, you know what I'm saying, you showed what you showed, I believe it. Believe me, I'm telling everybody about you.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Was it scary doing the first deposit? Because you said about the scams, I know.
Well, no, not really, because that's why I just put a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So, like, in my mind, if it goes, it goes. But once I seen that you the real deal, yeah, you definitely got my trust, bro.
And how much did you deposit? You said it was a little bit at the first time, right?
Yeah, I deposited like 150 or something like that.
And what's your balance right now? So you started at 150, and
my balance is now like 7,600, 7,600.
Damn, that's good. Oh, from 150 to 7K, that's not bad, bro.
Oh, listen, in one fucking week. And I think yesterday actually made a week, Tuesday.
And did you take the money out already, or is it still in pocket option?
Well, I had took some money out just to see the how would you say it, how it goes.
Yeah.
But I took it back out. I got it perfectly fine. And I put it right back in.
So you already had that moment that it's not fake money, it's actually real stuff. It came in and came out. All right, bet. And just one question. I've been asking this a bunch, and I know that it's gonna. Do you know what a P&L calendar is?
No.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll hit you up in the DMs later about it. Okay. Because it's a good tool to use later on. Okay. What was the moment that you decided to kind of pump up the stakes?
When I see you pumping up the stakes, the fuck?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Doing what I'm doing, bro. That's just the way to go.
Because my thing is like, okay, if I'm betting 20, I could bet 100. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
it's just more about, you know, having the faith. That's all.
Yeah, for sure. And what do you plan to spend the cash on? You said properties. You trying to do real estate, right?
Yeah, real estate.
Real estate. That's good. That's some good stuff. And what are your trading goals for the next quarter that we're gonna have right now?
To step it up.
Step it up.
To bet more than a year.
Yeah, bring that bread home. Okay. I have some people that are thinking about quitting right now because just some stuff. What do you want to say to them?
You know what's crazy? So I told one of my other friends about you. So the other day we were trading together and he lost.
Yeah.
Right? But he lost because of his own mistakes. And I called him the night before you got on a 10. I'm like, yo, bro, don't give up, bro. Come here. When you give up, that's when you miss the train. He's like, So of course he didn't come on that night. And then I think I made $1,000 that night. And the next morning he ended up putting in some money. And right now he put in like $200. So right now he's up to like $400 or $500. Yeah, he's glad that he didn't quit. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Anything in life you got ups and downs, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's how it goes. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not God.
Yeah, if you don't lose, you don't win.
Right. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's the bottom line of it.
Okay, I have some people that want to kind of join but are hesitating. What do you want to say to them?
I guarantee you, this will be. If you don't join, you're missing your shot, bro. You're missing your shot.
Amen.
Definitely missing your shot. Because not for nothing, like what you're doing, a lot of people pay to do.
Mhm.
You're doing it for free.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So
Nah, it's just because I remember how tough it was when I started. That's exactly why I'm trying to help you guys out right now.
right. I'm saying, and guess what, Top? We definitely appreciate it, bro. You know what I'm saying? We definitely appreciate it.
Hey, thanks. That's good to hear. That's good to hear, my man. Okay. Well, thank you. I'm gonna be signing off then, trying to figure out what went wrong in the stream with the routers and stuff like that. So peace out, bruh.
I said, yeah, listen, I'll see you later on tonight.
I bet. Okay, for sure.
All right, bro. All right, my boy.
All right.